Hey YouTube, it is Jordan Christina, Nail by Jordy on Instagram. Today's video is going to be like my nail space, kind of like nail area tour. Just to kind of show you guys what I'm working with right now. Definitely, I'm in the process of like getting more supplies, getting more storage, getting more space, like upgrading things constantly. As of right now, my like nail space, nail area is in my bedroom. That's where I do nails at right now. I don't work on other clients right now, especially, well, I don't have clients right now, especially due to the coronavirus. It's kind of when I was really like in the middle of like getting things together to be able to start doing clients, but then of course Corona came, everything was closed. I wasn't gonna take any clients or try to do anybody else's nails, so that kind of put me on a little standstill right now. As far as when like I can do nails again, I'm not really sure. Well, I know that my mother is not letting me do nails inside of my bedroom, and I don't really feel comfortable with having people come inside of my house to do nails and have them walk up the steps, get to my room and things like that. I just don't really think that that's I just don't think that's the proper way that I want to do it. Plus, like I said, I don't feel comfortable with people coming in my house. So I'm kind of like trying to work out something. If I could like build like a small shed in my backyard and have the shed be like my nail space, or like section out of the area in my garage and make that into a nail space. So I'm trying to just see which one would be like the most, like, I guess, feasible, and which one would just like work out better for me, and which would provide like a better area like for clients for it to just be more enjoyable, I guess. So I'm still working on that. If you guys have any ideas on like things that I could do for that, or if you guys have your own nail spaces, and just let me know like what you guys have, like what it is, where it's at, things like that. Anything to really help me out, because I'll take any of the suggestions and or help. Doesn't really care. So we're just gonna get into my nail area, my nail space. Okay, so this little area corner of my room is my nail storage, my nail desk, my nail supplies and things of that nature. So this is my nail desk. It also serves as just like my regular desk in my room. It's a nice width across, so there's not too much reaching you have to do in regards to doing people's nails. I do think that I got this desk right here from Target or Walmart, I think. I'm leaning more towards Walmart, I think, but it's a nice desk. Serves its purpose. Sometimes though I do mess it up a little bit, like some of this is like polished and stuff that's dried up, but honestly, like, I don't really care. I have this light that I use, which is also like my desk lamp light, whatever you want to call it. So this is how bright the light gets. It's pretty bright at night as well, and I can definitely like move it up and down around, so whatever angle I want to put it at, I can move it around, and it works, excuse me, pretty good. So I don't really, like I said, I don't have clients, I don't really do other people's nails, so having my desk up against the wall is perfect for me. But if I do my mom or my sister's nails, all I do is I just pull the desk up more towards me, and I'll sit on the other side closer to the wall, and I'll have them bring a chair in here and have them sit on this side, so it works pretty good. Also, if you want to talk about how I filter out like the smell of the monomer in my room, I actually have this, I don't know what you call it, I think it's a window fan. Looks like this. It's like a big fan like this. Sorry, let me pull it out. So I have this big window fan, I think that's what it's called. I got it from Target or Walmart too for about a good $10. And what I'll do is I'll open up the window and I'll set it in the window, and then I'll turn it on, and it gets the smell of the monomer out of my room pretty good. I think I broke this part because this is supposed to be connected inside of here, but it came out. It still works fine, so I don't have no problems with it. But yeah, I just keep that right behind my bed to just keep it out of the way of things. So yeah, let's just get into like my storage area. So I have this storage cart. I got this from, I think I got this from Michael's, I want to say. And I think I got it from Michael's when it was on a discount. So I feel like I only paid like $20 or $30 for this. Not a lot of money at all. But we're going to go in like through all of the different drawers that I have. So up here on the top, I keep a candle here. After I finish setting the acrylic on nails, I like to, while the fan is blowing, I like to burn my candle just to kind of like get the smell of the monomer really out my room. And then this makes my nails smell good. Well, not nail smell, but my room smell good so it doesn't stink like acrylic. This right here is a candle I purchased from Etsy. From Star Candles, so you guys can see. Okay. So Etsy /shop/Star Candles. This is the vanilla scent, and when I tell you guys, these candles were not expensive at all, and they smell super good. So I really do recommend you guys purchasing some candles from Star Candles on Etsy. Vanilla Star Candles. Like it does not. So Star Candles vanilla, like it's super good and it's super strong too, so it really gets the smell of the monomer out of the room. The next thing, I have this little jar right here. This jar I got from the like bathroom section at Target. I want to say it was like $5 to $7. I don't remember the exact amount, but in it I just keep things that I use like a lot when I do nails. So I have some of my files, my 100 by 180 grit, my 100 by 100. I have I can't reach it, but I have a nail buffer in here as well. I have my cuticle pusher, my brush, and this is another little brush from a cart that I got when I purchased my polygel kit. So I keep those things up here, as well as my Melody Susie drill. I keep that up here on the top too, because I use it a lot, plus it can't fit in any of these drawers, so I just keep it up here at the top. So I just keep these three things here. The first drawer, y'all, some of my stuff is not organized, and it's a little dusty too, so don't mind that, but I really wanted to show you guys what I have so far. So some of my stuff that I have in here is, this is just a brush like to dust off like dust. This actually used to be one of my makeup brushes. It's an e.l.f. makeup brush, but I just needed a brush to dust off powder, and I found this one in my room. I hadn't used it in a while. I cleaned it off and it just works perfectly for that. Up here I have my, well, in this little container I have my protein, like my bond for when I do nails. So I have my dehydrator, my nail prep right here. And then I have this Young Nails protein bond, as well as this Mia's Secret extra bond for acrylic. And I also on the side I have my drill bit case that I was telling you guys about that I got in my last haul video with my drill bits in here. It works perfectly, like I filled this thing up. Right here I have some of my glues, my nail glues, some random brushes, including my these are my nail art brushes, which I also showed you guys in my last video. This little container right here has my cuticle clippers and my nail clippers, and this is to cut down the acrylic nails, which I keep in here. And these are also, I use these little thingies, I don't know what they're called, but I use this for when I am picking up like jewels and rhinestones and things like that. I have tape in here, never use tape, but I figured like why not? I might need it one day. Some of my buffers, and then in this little compartment right here I have a whole bunch of nail files. So what I use a lot for storage are these clear containers. You can see I got these clear containers from Target for only $1. So since like this is not going to be like my actual nail room that, like, you know, I'll have clients coming to, everything that I'm buying right now, I want to kind of keep the colors neutral, because it's just like I don't know what color my nail room is going to be. I don't want too many crazy colors. So I really like this like kind of foggy white color. I thought it was super cute. It's only $1, and I wanted something that was pretty sturdy and didn't feel like plastic. So these things are super sturdy, they feel super good, and I really like them. So I do think that also I know I got these from Target, but I think these were in the bathroom section too. Like, y'all, I be finding stuff up in that bathroom section. Like, y'all ain't been up in there, y'all should definitely go check it out. So So this one too, these are some of my Mia Secret colors that I have in this little container. On this one I have my Dappin dish, which I'm actually looking for a new one. I want a cuter Dappin dish than this. I have these nail brushes, some of the swatches for some colors that I have. So I have 2 swatches from my Valentino colors that I had in my last video, as well as these colors right here are actually colored acrylics that I made myself. I know I talked about in my last video me making colored acrylics, so I tried it out, and I'll definitely have a video if you guys want a video on my colored acrylics. I want you guys to be able to see. It don't be focusing. So these are 2 colored acrylics that I made a couple weeks ago, and they actually came out pretty good, and I really did like them. So if you guys want a video on how I made my own colored acrylics, like, just comment down below and let me know, and I'll definitely make a video about that. Some other things, just I have all of my powders in here. So my clear powder, pink, these are the powders that I made right here. I have them labeled off like that. My white, my Valentino, I have that in here. So all my powders I have in here, as well as my liquid monomer, which I need more of. And this is the liquid monomer that I talked about in my last video, so it's definitely almost gone. So I definitely have to re-up on monomer. This next one is my nail tips that I have. So these little thingies, nails are for my nail hand that I practice on. I'm actually running out on those too, so I need more of. But like I said, these are just my different nail tips that I have in here. It's like plenty of nail tips in here. Most of my nail tips are clear, except for these that I got in my last video, which are not clear. I thought I would really like these, and they're cool, but they do curve just a little bit, which I guess I just don't be paying attention, y'all, because it says right here, deep and elegant curves. They're cool, but they curve a little bit. I prefer, I don't really like the curved look. I prefer for them to be more flat, but I mean, it is what it is. They still work. And in this one, I have a lot of my polishes. So I don't have a huge supply of polish like I would like. So I have all my D&D polishes up here in the front that I have. And this little compartment right here has my clear top coats, I guess. So I have 3 gel ones, which is the DNDC, Kiara Sky, and my IBD. And then the rest of these top coats are regular top coats, so they're not gel. As well as in here too, I just have a whole bunch of random colors all over the place. Any and everything, really. So yeah. My next one is anything that's really liquid. So I have some cuticle oil, I have my alcohol, I have plenty of nail polish remover in here as well, and then I have 2 bottles of pure acetone for when I'm soaking off my gel or my acrylic. And this next container kind of just has like miscellaneous items in here. I have my neon pigment colors, which I use for my my own acrylic powders that I'm making. I have these butterfly decals that I sell on Etsy right here. You can't see, but I have like a whole bunch of different like butterfly decals that I sell, as well as just this is just a random glitter I had in my house, and I ended up using this glitter for an acrylic set one day, which it came out pretty good. It's really pretty. I don't know why this don't be focusing, but it don't. I have my nail swatch sticks, which I showed you guys in my last video, as well as this compartment has anything that I would kind of use as far as like designing nails after I finish putting on the acrylic. This I would actually use if during acrylic. So these are like little like glitters, I guess, different colored glitters that I have. I have rhinestones here, and I don't know where my rhinestones be going. Like I'm telling y'all, I be losing rhinestones like crazy. Like they be going missing. They really do. I don't know where they go. Some more rhinestones. Some neon pigments are in here as well. These are for these 2 spider gels that I have. Oh, I'm sorry, this stuff do not be liking the focus. So these are 2 spider gels I have. Some gold foil, some dried up flowers, white glitter that I also have that I like and I use a lot too. Okay. Also, these are just some more rhinestones I have that I put in this Ziploc bag. This next one is for also like miscellaneous items too. So this is my nail lamp that I use, which I also think I'm gonna need to, ooh, sorry, my feet, ew. I think I'm gonna have to purchase a new one. This one was pretty cheap from Amazon, but it's been serving its purpose, so I think it might be time to get a new one. And these are just cords that I use to connect to my lamp. This cord is for my drill. This is like a foot pedestal for your drill too. And this right here is it's dirty, y'all, I gotta clean it, but it's for soaking off my acrylic and things like that. I have those two little bowls. And then the last one that I use for nail supplies is my nail hand is right here. And then these are just some of my practice nails that I have done. So I was gonna show y'all, but it don't be focusing. These are just some of my practice nails that I've done. So I did these nails yesterday. Let me show y'all which ones I did yesterday. At practice, I was trying this marble design. I saw Sydney Alexis. She has a nail channel, and I'm pretty sure she's the one that I saw who posted these marble, white marble looking nails yesterday. So I was like, ooh, I want to go practice that. So I made these like white marble nails. Y'all, I'm so sorry, like the focusing, I'm not good at this, y'all. I'm really not. I'm trying to get it straight. Okay, so I did these like white marble. So there, I got inspired by her to do it. These two are the same. And then I decided to do like a pop of color one, so then I did like a neon green one. At least I tried. And I think it came out pretty good. So I liked it. And also, which I did not show you, these little containers that I got also, which I keep these things in. I got these also from Target. I think it was like 4 in a pack, and I think it was like maybe $2 at the most. And these are pretty sturdy. They're kind of flexible as well too, so I like them as well. This is my nail hand, which actually broke on me. Let me show y'all how it broke. I don't even know, actually I don't know how it broke, but it definitely broke. And so this part, which is supposed to stick down like right here, it came off. So it be coming off like this. I still can make it work, but it's kind of like a struggle to get it to work. So I'm definitely gonna have to buy a new one. It's just that, I mean, I'm not rich and I'm buying things like slowly but surely, and it's like I'm not working on real clients, so it's like I'm not having like an actual income coming in right now. But I'm still like buying things like slowly but surely, and everything is working out pretty good. I have a good amount of supplies. I still, of course, would like to buy some more, but I mean, this is working out for me so far, so good. Also, I wanted to show you guys, I made these press-on nails the other day. They're just jumbled. I threw them in here. I don't know why, but I made this like red set. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna post pictures when the video's over of the press-on nails that I made. And if you guys want a video on how I did those press-on nails, like just let me know and I'll do that. But yeah, I don't want to make this video too long. But yeah, this is like my little nail area in my room, my nail storage, my nail desk, everything like that. So I hope that you all enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys tune in to more of my videos and enjoy the rest of your day.